Hey y'all, this is the start of my Polk County potato soup. I call it Polk County potato soup because my daddy taught me how to make it. But I kind of cheat a little bit and I make it in a crock pot. He actually made it in a Dutch oven. Okay guys, I've cooked the bacon, which I used a whole package of bacon. I guess it's like a 16 ounce. I'll put that in the recipe. The onion, which is a cup of onion, celery 2 cups, and carrots. We'll try to get some veggies in there somewhere. And then I like the whole kind of cut up potatoes, real potatoes, instead of the smaller ones because I just think they get kind of mushy in the potato soup. And then I'm going to add all that to my crock pot. I have a really big crock pot, so I can add about 3 bags. I'm going to add chicken broth. I'm going to add some cream of chicken soup, and then 3 tablespoons of butter. I just add a little bit of garlic powder, a packet of ranch, and then some chicken broth. And then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of milk. And then I'm going to let that all cook together. If you don't like bacon, you can add ham. You don't have to add any meat if you don't want to. It's potato soup, but I just like a little bit of meat for the seasoning. That's why I go ahead and brown the meat. I just like my bacon a little bit more crispy. If you use ham, you would not have to do that. Cut this off. If you use ham, you can just slice ham up and put it in there. But I have a lot to do today. I'm actually quilting today. So, and I have got to pick turnip greens and a few things like that. Okay, so I have all of my ingredients in here except for the milk and the heavy cream. I'm just going to let this simmer in the crock pot. Like I said, I doubled this just because I have a huge crock pot. I actually bought the biggest one I could find just because I like cooking in bulk and I have a big family. But I'll wait and add the heavy cream and the milk the last few minutes, probably about the last 15 minutes. Okay, so the crock pot potato soup is done. I ended up cooking it for about 2 hours on high and then turning it down to low. And then added the last 15 minutes, added milk, just topped it off with milk and some heavy cream. And it's done. This crock pot potato soup turned out delicious. I've never made it in the crock pot before. I've always made it in Dutch oven like my dad taught me. This is delicious. It's creamy. It was super easy. We put it in the crock pot when I got home this afternoon. Cooked it on high for just a little bit, and then I knocked it down to low. Very little prep. So good. We made some garlic bread to go with it. Great dinner. I actually quilted all day, had a relaxing day, watched a few movies, and then we had this for dinner, and it's so good. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe to our page, and if you have any questions, just leave us a comment. Thank you.